Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you how to check the engine oil level. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2021 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Before checking the engine oil, you want to make sure that the vehicle is parked on even flat areas, so no downhill or uphill, and ideally the vehicle wouldn't be driven for at least a couple of hours, so maybe the best time to check it is first thing in the morning. Engine oil dipstick is located down there, so what you have to do, you have to pull out the dipstick, then you have to wipe it, and then you want to stick it back inside and then pull it again out, and this will give you the accurate reading. So this will be a bit hard to do with one hand because I'm recording, so I want to pull it all the way out and then I will wipe it with a clean cloth and then it will go back inside. Okay, so I got it clean. So the engine oil level should be between these two dots. This is the minimum, this is the maximum. If you're under this dot, that means you're missing engine oil. If you're over it, that means the engine oil is overfilled, which actually happens quite often after the oil change because mechanics are sometimes not being careful. Even you can see here it's marked where it's supposed to be. And now to get the reading, you will just insert that engine oil dipstick back inside the engine and pull it straight out. Okay, so stick it back inside all the way and then pull it straight out, and this should give us the reading. Okay, let's see. And you can see it's just under the maximum, right where it's supposed to be. I hope you can see this. Okay, see, and this is perfect oil level. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.